guys, welcome back. Is another makeup look. I'm inspired by Lisa's makeup in her new music video SG. So I'm gonna take that and put a little spin on it because I have some glitter here that I really want to use for this video, so I was thinking of incorporating that. But I'm hoping that even with that, we still get the same vibe. So if you're interested in that, then stay tuned. So I've already laid down my eyeshadow base and I've done my brows already. So I'm just going to go in with a transition shade right into the crease. Next, I'm going to take a darker shade and just darken up my outer V. Next, I'm going to take a smaller brush and I'm just going to go on the bottom lash line and smoke it out with that same dark brown shade that I just used. Just giving my lashes a curl and I'm just going to tightline the top waterline. So I'm going to continue that black eyeliner on the bottom lash line as well, but just going about halfway across my eye, and then I'm going to smoke out the edge of it. Now I'm going to use a liquid liner to do the dramatic wing that she has. So right above that wing liner that I just put down, it looks like in her picture that she has some rhinestones that they put above there, but I actually wanted to put some glitter that I have, and I'm just going to use a silicone brush just to place that right above the outer 1/3 of that wing liner. Okay, well, that's what you get when you work with glitter. It kind of goes everywhere and it's kind of all over my face, but we're just gonna keep moving along. I'm going to put on foundation, just going in with my regular BB cream. gonna go in with blush. For lip, I'm going to go in with a berry color. So last step, I'm going to set my face with a setting spray. So this is the finished look. So that was it for today's video. Thank you for joining me for another one. Let me know down below if you like what I did for this look. I know it's a little bit different from what she did. I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye!